Welcome to the Cortical Mappings tutorial. As explained in prior tutorials, the biological brain is an intricate network of connections between various functional areas that enables the processing of sensory information and formation of thoughts, behaviors, and actions. Cortical mappings can have different characteristics and properties. While considering the source and destination, they can be broken down into two types. Intracortical mappings are where connections are made among neurons within the same cortical area. Inter-cortical mappings are where connections are formed between two or more cortical areas. Cortical mappings in FEAGI are inspired by chemical synapses and can be defined as either excitatory or inhibitory. Excitatory means that it increases the membrane potential of the target neuron, whereas inhibitory decreases the membrane potential of the target neuron. Each cortical mapping can also assume synaptic plasticity properties, such as plastic, where the connectivity strength can change over time, either strengthening or weakening, or non-plastic, where connectivity strength remains the same over time. FEAGI provides multiple easy-to-use mechanisms to help establish connections between neurons, leveraging the connectivity rules discussed in the prior tutorial. Let's review all the different methods. First, using the quick connector. When clicking on a cortical area in either the 3D monitor or the circuit builder, a small toolbar pops up that contains the quick connector option. Click on the quick connector, select the destination cortical area, and choose a connectivity rule from the list. To form intracortical connections, simply select the same cortical area as the source and destination. Second, using the circuit builder, simply drag the output terminal from the source cortical area and connect it to the input terminal of the destination cortical area. The cortical mapping dialog should pop up that can help you select a connectivity rule. Adjust the parameters as either excitatory or inhibitory, or non-plastic versus plastic parameters as needed. Lastly, to launch the Cortical Properties panel, click on the cortical area and select the magnifying glass from the pop-up toolbox. Expand the cortical mapping section, then, depending on the type of cortical mapping desired, you can click on the plus icon under the afferent or incoming or efferent outgoing section. The mapping window shows up where you can select the connectivity rule of your choice and adjust the mapping parameters accordingly.